My name is Shrishka. We are from 7th B. My name is Srihita. My name is Manvi. My name is Miduna. My name is Srinidhi. My name is Ritvika. My name is Samanvita. My name is Abhigna. Firstly, we are going to act in disciplined manner. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. I want to sleep more. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. I have to get ready to school. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, I am late, Nikita.
My health is not good, ma'am. Shall I call to your parents?
No, ma'am.
Why? I wake up at late, ma'am. You saying lie? Do 10 sit-ups.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, now I am leaving the class. Be quiet. Some children talking in the class. Silence. Why are you talking? All of you show me your homeworks. Madam, she is hiding, ma'am. Why are you hiding, Srihita? I did not write my homework, ma'am. Why you didn't write your homework? I went to village, ma'am. Do 10 sit-ups. This is your punishment. This is indisciplined manner. We should have to behave in disciplined manner. We have to wake up early in the morning and we have to finish our homeworks. Now we are going to act disciplined manner. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. I have to go to school. May I come in, ma'am? Come in home, Manvi. Today you came early. Take your place. Thank you, ma'am. Now I am leaving the class. Be quiet. Quiet. Are you done your homeworks? Show your homeworks. Very good. Oh, Rishka, you have to run your homework. This is disciplined manner. We should behave like this. We should not behave like indisciplined manner. We have to go to early. We have to wake up in early morning and we have to finish your homeworks and we have to give respect to the elders and teachers. Thank you.